Welcome to Living Outdoors Construction. This is our new project, hip-roofed, irregular shaped veranda. When we applied for the permit, we actually called it a carport. Reasons being, carport can be set back from the fence only 500 mil. If it's a veranda, you have to set it back at a meter. So you save yourself 500 mil. There you go. All the collar ties are in place. Ceiling fan, lighting, sensored lights, polycarbonate for clear, for light, natural light to go into the windows. Colour bond everywhere else to reduce the heat. Cypress gold posts, 120 by 120. Unexposed aggregate concrete. Drainage. Scotia to finish off the job. Storm water pipe. Your guttering. Make sure your guttering is done by a licensed plumber. Can be done by yourself, quite easy. You set up your post supports first. Once you get them straight, nice and level, the posts have become very simple. Check out your posts on top. Mark out your posts and check them out. I always use a 240 by 40 45 MGP10 Pacer. Bolted, of course. Collar ties are in place. Your ridge beams, always 190 by 45. Hips, 190 by 45. Your rafters, depending on the length, up to 3 meters, 140 by 45. Anything above that, 190. Above 4.2, we go 240. For inquiries 0414 412 498. We do it all. Even the retaining wall is out of exposed aggregate. Thank you for viewing our videos. We do it all. All inquiries welcome.